Happy Love Day. My name is Tontalyn. I work here at Dr. Baker's office, OBGYN on Vernon. And the reason why I got into women's health, I feel there's a greater need. And also there's a lot of work to be done. And I'm here to help.
Happy Valentine's. I'm Jennifer. I'm a certified medical assistant here with Dr. Baker's office. The reason why I love working with women's health care is because there is a need for more compassion and empathy, and I feel like I can give that to our patients.
Happy Valentine's Day. I'm Lisa. I'm the ultrasound technologist here at Dr. Baker's office, and I love working in women's health because I love taking care of people. And I enjoy being a special part with a woman through her pregnancy journey. If it's not a special time, I enjoy being a part of that too, and just being here for that person. We'll laugh together, we'll cry together. I just like taking care of people.
Happy Valentine's Day, guys. My name is Stephanie. I'm an LPN here. I'm a nurse that works here at Wellstar OB at Vernon. I love women's health care because I love women taking care of themselves, coming in and taking power over their own selves for a change. They're strong, independent women. They're at home taking care of their kids and their husbands and everything in between, and for them to come in and take charge of themselves for a change, it's just really nice to see.
Happy Valentine's Day. I am Monica, the nurse practitioner here at Wellstar OB at Vernon. I love women's health because I get to empower women about their body and their health and get them to take charge. And I also love my pregnant moms that I get to be there for them during a special time in their lives.
Hey, happy Valentine's Day. I'm Dr. Joy Baker. I'm the OBGYN here at Wellstar OBGYN at Vernon. And I love taking care of women because I think women are the center of the universe. I think that we are the building blocks of families and communities. And I just love helping women thrive and live their best life because I feel like that helps everybody around them. So I really enjoy this job for that reason. Hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day.